Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today I would like to continue our exercise. Okay, how we can measure the area by using Google Earth. Okay, so first of all, okay, if you see in the menu here, okay, in tools we have ruler. Okay, so when you click on the ruler, you will have a pop-up menu here, okay, that have a line, path, polygon, okay. So how we can actually measure the area that we want to see, for example, in this area, okay, in our point of interest, if you want to know the distance between this point to this point, okay, so what we can do is actually we just click to this area and to the end of the boundary. So you will see, you double click at the end point, you will see here is about 113.24 meters. And you can change the format, whether you want to do in kilometers, okay, feet, okay. So normally we use meters, so we can see. And also we can see the area, okay. If you want to calculate the area for this study area, so you can go to the polygon, okay. For example, you need to clear the others measurement, so you can click the area that you want to measure, for example, okay, and you will see it's about 555 meters perimeters, and for the area is about, if we change to the hectares, 1.73 hectares, okay. Or you can see change to the acres is about 4.27 acres for one plot, okay. So you can save or you can do other things, you can try, okay, in line, path, polygon, okay. And this is really a useful tool that you can use in the Google Earth, okay. So please try and let me see if you have any problem or any issues. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye.